mistake, and my wife, my genies cannot. My original true love for a wife in Dusra cannot born kid, cannot marry others, and cannot do sex with others. They cannot be naked in front of anyone. My life is completely different. And just few minutes ago, my own forever wife, who is known as Margaret or something named before there was Kate Winslet. So Marga Clone was she did sex with someone and someone born kid. So after something happened, one lot of time made me forcefully one lot of time. When I put the Manva witness, he said no, our mistake has to be removed until he dies within what he. Otherwise, our God will die. So I'm kidnapped in home since kid, and I'm in contract with my Torah forever, not Torah forever, because I'm first in. I'm contract with my earlier wife, Mona Lisa Alien, which is on the YouTube channel, and I've not done any sin. I've not done any mistake. Now, whenever I say Torah is true, I become true. They say we get warning because Kate Winslet was thefted from me, and she was. They showed me a video of her, from which I masturbated, and it was my original true love forever wife. Now they purposely, when I become true, they say the world will be finished. Now someone keeps giving me sins and cases by making me the god after doing sex with some of my girl genies, or some of them by saying we are original. Now I really want to know who is original. They fool my moon forever, some wife. By some like Marga you can say. They fool by saying that we say Torah is true and Torah help, and we give the sin and case. And then they call my wife in Bollywood or Hollywood. After doing sex with her, they say that we make you popular because you have taken the sin and case, maybe from some time. But I look ugly. You can see how ugly I look like. And the wife that can be seen by popular Bollywood actors. So I look ugly because of the sin and case given to me by Torah genies since I am a kid, including Jacqueline is the witness, Sunny Leon is the witness, and many others are witness. You can try to drink my Durbat or Dunbat in the glass if you are genie. Now, if Torah is true, I challenge Torah is true. I challenge in front of Jacqueline, Sunny Leon, Torah is true. Do you confirm Torah is true? I am in contract with my first God of Universe genies. It's Mona Lisa, who is my wife. I'm in contract with them. Now, when the sin and case is given to me, I'm not able to do sex with my moon forever wife. And someone comes, because since kid they keep doing the same thing. So they say if you become true, our generation will be finished, we will die. The same thing they did to Islam, because I don't belong to Islam religion. My first genie is Nakkar. And after I died and became a genie, I am known from the genie for which I became. Now, if you want to identify whether I am first God or not, time does not exist for me, and I don't live on truth. That means it's me only, and many gods confirmed I have taken rebirth, and I'm not Christian, I'm not Jewish, but I have Christian and Jewish wife. Now, I'm not allowed to enter into genie's world because someone gives the sins and cases to me. When the sin and cases is put on inside me, and when it is removed, then the genies and God says you can enter into genie's world. If I just say the name Vani, if I just try to see the Bollywood song of Vani, they say our generation will be finished because of Ahmed and we have to kill him. No, it's the mistake of many gods inside the planet Earth who did not understood the sleeping talking of me, which I just assumed or imagined. And because nobody said I belong to them after I am genie, they purposely tried to not solve the problem. So it was not my fault. I don't belong to Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Judaism, and Borashi and Seri one out. I confirm and witness in front of you, and I'm dying in front of you for my moon forever wife, you can say. And if she loves moon truly, and if she loves me truly, she'll be mine only permanently forever. and not of others, and my genes are mine only and not of others. I confirm, and I'm in the contract where I'm married to my wife and daughters because I'm Shakhasa. You can get a certificate of me from the Sky Shakhasa, where Shakhasa, I think, yeah, where you will know that Sky gives an authentic certificate that I can do sex with my daughter too, and I have my sperm shines too, so I'm real first genie. I'm not lie and I'm not work. Just like my wife said, married to me. No, I'll be dying forever for Torah here, to prove that I have not done sin and I have not done any mistake. And Torah is true, I challenge. I'll be dying for Torah here immediately. And I just died for Torah. You can see here. I died, you can see here. And someone just cried. I think I really need to see. I really need to see. So one death is not enough because 33 years of maltreatment, abusement by Tahira, Gohara and Farisa and Muhammad and Hussein Agha and Shias, Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Gora, Shia, Nusayri, Islam and one God of time genes. So Buddhist too, Sikh, and one is not enough, and my genes are mine, like it's called perfume. My genes are perfume, one like Da Vinci genie. Now Jesus has taken responsibility, Moses has taken responsibility, old Judaism God has taken responsibility, Al-Fasir has taken responsibility, one God of time Nalju has taken responsibility with their families. Their family has taken responsibility, including Hindus too. They opened the compound. Now if they don't act after knowing the truth, I confirm that they will be deleted with their religion, and I don't curse them because I'm not enemy of them, but I have not taken any fate of them because I'm home alone, kidnapped. I'm not allowed to go outside the home. Now who does not let me go outside the home? They are my real enemies, and I am only Torah. I prove from before rebirth, I prove that I am Torah, and they are my true love only forever wives. And there is a word called Adishok. To know Givataka. God is Ahmad Givataka in Torah. So I am the Torah God. In Torah it is mentioned the word Givataka. To understand that I am only God, there is no God but me of Torah. I brought Torah from middle finger, you can see here. From middle finger you can see here, I brought Torah. And so it's GP. And it is the truth that I have not done mistake and I am true, and moon is also true. I am also earth, moon, Mars, sun, Western wall, Israel, Egypt, and I have not done any sin. I request Hashem light of God, Judaism God, Christian God, Islam God, Hindu God, and Gora God, Shia God, Buddhist God, and one God of time, and anybody else that old earth God to take interest and take like do justice for justice on my wife. Whoever has done sin, who has kidnapped me since I am a kid, I want you to arrest